That sounds so yummy. How do you prepare a cracker sandwich?
First you put a cracker on the plate, and then...
Can you show us how to do that?
And then you put a piece of cheese on the top. A slice of cheese, and then a piece of sausage.
That looks so yummy. And what do you do last?
Eat it.
Can you take a bite and let us know how it tastes?
Tastes really good.
Really good. How many thumbs up would you give it?
2.
Can I see those thumbs? 2 thumbs up. Boys and girls, does that look like a yummy snack?
Yeah.
Would you like to try one?
Yeah.
Let's give Chef Anneliese a round of applause.